Step number 5, take support. Take any support that's offered. Seek it out if no one offers. It's okay to ask. So you may well have heard the saying, no man is an island. What that means is that none of us are completely self-sufficient. In order to thrive, we need the support and comfort of other people. Seeking support from our friends and family is a great way to get through difficult changes. Maybe great changes, we can celebrate with them, and that's fantastic too. But if we find things difficult, seeking support from other people really helps us to get perspective and to find that things don't feel so bad. It's also great to seek support from people in our new situation. Whatever the change may be, perhaps you've moved country to study, you've gone to a sixth form college, to university, to apprentice at a new job. If you find people there who have been through the same experience, that can be amazing for helping you to get used to the change. You can learn from what worked for them, maybe what didn't work for them, and just meeting new people can be really, really reassuring. And it's also great to have a friendly ear, someone to talk to vent to if you need.